You want to know how much I paid for the truck?
the truck?
Guess.
It's good.
650. A lot or not a lot? A lot? Almost ready. Our first podcast we're going to record today.
Come on, man. Look at this boy.
Nice. That's awesome. Hey, how's it going, man? Sebastian, nice to meet you.
Maxi.
Nice to meet you. It's Jose.
Hey. Come on, man.
What's going on, guys? Everything good? Just cutting out a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you guys teaming up? You guys a team? Yeah.
We're working with UPS now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
Peak work. So tell me what's going on with the truck. So and I'm just recording this because I wanna, if you guys don't mind, if you guys don't
First
mind.
of all, we met you through YouTube.
Awesome.
We like what you do.
Thank you.
So he was on the way to here, Illinois. So I told my brother, you remember the video you sent me from Truck You or Truck You?
Truck you, yeah.
Truck You, right? So I saw Jose, you always talking about how work with Volvo and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And I told my brother, we just call them and find out what's wrong with that. And I think we're in the right place.
You're in the right place,
Yeah, so as soon as I told Jose what's going on, you know what it is. So if you can get a call, you want to do it.
Nice. So we already talked. You already explained it, but do you want to explain what's going on with the truck? Just so.
Right now, Troy is like losing power uphill when you got low. Driving in the bobtail right now is pretty fine, but it's like shaking, like losing power. You got to go downshifting, start losing power again.
Yeah.
So I did some research, like I told you before. So Jose basically prove it, and find out what's right.
Injector cups.
Injector cups, yeah. I don't want to say. He's the tech. I'm a bicycle tech. So he got the last one.
Cool.
So I would like you guys to drive it to see if you can jump in.
Yeah.
Fix it.
Do you think we're going to be able to pick it up at what speed is it going to pick up?
If you drive over here and you go to 8, a low RPM, you're probably gonna find out.
Really?
Yeah, it's like when you try to get power of the truck, it's gonna start like shaking.
So it's a 10 speed and it's a D13 just for guys to.
What year is it? 12.
2012. Okay. All right, let's hop in. Let's drive it. Nice floor, man. Did you guys make it yourself?
Yeah, I did it myself. Yeah, like I told you, I bought it. It was sitting for a couple months from my house. I said, you know what? While I'm doing nothing.
You don't want to get your truck dirty. It's clean.
No, don't worry about that.
You want to sit on my thing? Sit on this.
No, don't worry about that.
And you shoot now.
That's his hobby when he's day off.
Alright, hold on. So who found us, guys? Which one of you?
Me, I'm
You're the one that's researching and learning.
Yeah.
We
I
both
was
do.
like that.
We both do.
And you guys are brothers, right?
Yeah.
Brothers?
Does he look like me? Oh, man, he's cool. He don't hurt.
Who do you think is old?
The one with the glasses.
What do you guys? How long ago did you guys buy the truck? How long have you had it?
I bought it in March, but I put it on the road on July.
And it has 650,000 miles. That's accurate? Is that an accurate mileage?
Yeah, I bought it with CO7.
You checked the ECM mileage?
I went in through the system there. You know, when you go to...
That's a little different. We can log into it with our laptop, and we're gonna get the actual.
He told me
Especially he bought it in Miami, you know.
I mean, no, the guy was a cool guy. He was an old man, cool guy. He told me everything. He gave me a receipt. He put new tires. Everything he did to the truck, he told me about it.
Okay.
So,
What do you guys do? Reefer, drive-in? What are you guys doing?
drive in.
Drive-in?
Before you did UPS peak work, what did you guys do?
Drive on for
Maybe on. Any bad?
Anything, yeah?
Yeah.
Good, good. Are you guys gonna stay team driving, or are you gonna
No.
buy another truck?
Just for the fix season.
Just for the fix season.
He just bought a truck. He bought a Volvo with a D12.
Volvo D13 01.
Awesome.
No
EGR.
No EGR. Best engine.
So you learn, you watch and you learn. And you
Oh
learn
yeah,
and stuff.
yeah.
So tell me about that D12. Where did you buy it, and how much? What's the mileage? And
I just bought it and the guy said he replaced the engine and has 400,000 miles. Well, I think it's over 1 million, you know. He just trying to be smart. But it's for a good price, you know. It's a 770 for 10 grand.
Oh, I can't beat it.
But he think he's tricking me, you know. But he's still on the budget, you know, like on the good price, fair price, you know. Because he's telling me it's 400,000 miles. He replaced the computer. I'm trying to see, you know, it's ultra, you know, the number doesn't seem too clear. But everything on those trucks is affordable, you know.
One thing you gotta keep in mind is the frame rails like to rust. So it's a 2001. If the truck's been down in like Florida the whole time,
yeah,
you shouldn't have any issues with the rust.
What no?
Went to school also for tech?
No, learned hands-on.
yeah.
Been doing it since I was 17. So I dropped out of high school and just went into.
Why did you guys get into trucking? My question.
It's not easy money, you know, but it's fast money.
Are you thinking about getting your own authority?
Yep.
Yeah.
I think you had a video talking about that.
Yeah.
Videos, yeah.
I do. I think it's an old video, but I think sooner or later, like I went straight to getting my own DOT. So.
Yeah. I mean, I wasn't there, but I mean the pandemic and all that slowed me down. So my friend, the one I'm like listening to, he's a pretty cool guy. He said, you know what, you just put it in insurance, not just down payment like that. You spend it for the first week, and then we get it going.
Let's listen. What speed
Right
do you
here.
think we're gonna be able
Starting to do it right now a little bit.
And if you put it in third gear, put it in third gear and let it go down like to 55. Let it go down. Let it go down, yeah, like to 50.
Yeah, now you can.
Now if you step right, Jose's gonna he felt a little bit.
I felt it a little bit. Right there, it's doing it.
But it's 10 times worse when you got the trailer on.
Yeah, once you have a load on there, you feel it. It's struggling.
And if you let it go down even, yeah, like that.
On these are engine brakes. D12s had the exhaust brake,
Oh, okay.
and these got an exhaust brake on them as well. On the, engine brake on, they got a separate rocker on them.
Okay.
Before they had like an intake rocker, exhaust rocker, and an injector rocker. These have a Jake brake rocker on them.
Yeah.
And these are oil operate on them. We have a video out there actually. We had a guy out there. He had a service done and the Jake brakes weren't working. There's a sensor right on the oil pan that's for the oil temperature and oil level. And it had a bad connection right there, and that's the reason why his Jake brakes weren't working. Oil temperature wasn't there.
On a Volvo?
On a D13, same setup.
And the D12 is about the same?
Same setup.
Okay.
Yeah. Still has the oil level sensor,
Look at
oil
that one.
temperature.
nice.
You can tell you're a trucker, man.
Oh, guys, we just got a.
What's it at right now?
It says engine overhaul needed.
Yeah.
You guys are at the right place though.
Alright, let's do it. That's cool. Those are what I put on the ox button.
How much you guys pay for the bumper? With the lights and everything?
How much is the bumper?
It was 1,400. It was on sale.
Okay.
Regular price was like 1,800.
That's for lights and everything on there.
No, the fog light no.
Oh, not the fog lights, those are separate.
Yeah, just the amber light on the bottom. Sí, se la cambié esa.
¿Tú se la cambiaste solo?
No.
Oh, okay. He just replaced the U-joint on the steering shaft.
After like 5,000 miles.
No, it isn't. Look how the oil look.
Oh, look at that.
And soil,
Yeah.
man. You're gonna like it.
And then how often are you guys doing the oil change?
This is my first one on the truck. I was doing 10 with a Delva. Now with this one, I'm gonna start doing 20.
20.
They said you can do 3 times with a little oil, but I don't want to push it that much. You know what I mean? Always
Do
go
it like
this
this,
direction.
yeah.
Always go this direction. What's that noise?
That's you got an air leak somewhere. So you're losing air somewhere.
I'm a beginner. You know?
I don't think you're a beginner. You have a pro truck.
I learned fast, like Jose. You know, so I can
So you can do the injector cups by yourself then?
I think I can do it.
Yeah, but
yeah, I think I can do it.
We lose more money.
You just need a plumbing wrench. That's all
no,
you
but
need.
we lose more money working in the truck.
I was looking at videos.
How to do it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think I can do it. I mean, I rebuilt the whole engine. I mean, it's I used to build engine for race, so
You did?
yeah.
You said you know Toyota engines?
Honda.
Honda?
Yeah. You want to know how much I paid for it? For the
For
truck?
the truck?
Guess.
It's good.
650. A lot or is it not a lot? A lot?
For the truck.
I was
the-
surprised. I was like, oh,
For the truck itself, 1,000 miles.
It was
2013?
12.
2012. 16. 39,000.
Half.
17.
What?
The guy, he didn't want to drive it anymore. He was an old guy.
Wait, so okay, so you bought it from an owner. You didn't buy it from like a
No,
dealer.
no,
right?
yeah.
Okay. No, amazing deal. I guarantee you your ECA mile is the same that you have on the odometer.
Right. A million-mile truck. It could be. You never know.
That's this. If you want to do the injector cups, obviously it's up to you. Whatever you want to do.
Yeah, what
We're
time-
backed up for 2 weeks, so come back in 2 weeks. But no, we'll work you in.
I mean, like, I would like to do it with you guys because you guys know. I mean,
you clean out the GPF and the DOC?
I look at for the crack. You guys find out.
Oh, you're looking.
Yeah, you guys are my favorite type. So, I mean, it's dirty now, but you will be.
So you actually learn from our video what to look at.
Hell
That's
yeah.
awesome.
All day, and I'm gonna recommend it to anybody. So
Good.
I'm gonna repost it.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Right here.
That looks dry, man. Very dry.
clean.
Very clean.
Saber, remember the one that we had? We had a D13 with a D rate going on, and somebody put a Cummins.
Knock sensor.
Knock
in it,
sensor.
Yeah.
And it worked.
No, it
was
didn't.
D-rated.
It was
Oh, because
D-rating.
they put the wrong one.
so we swapped
was
it
aftermarket
to
one, not
OE. Yeah.
So good deal on natural, right, sir?
Yeah. Very good deal. That's awesome, man.
And I've been driving.
Congrats. Jeez. Great truck,
Thank
man.
you.
Good stuff. So
The information you throw there. You know?
you got it. You got it. Good. I'm glad it's working.
Hey, video going to YouTube, guys. You can come over here. Awesome people.
Awesome. Thanks.
First time we come over here. Look how we're talking.
Yeah, they
That's
just
really
showed
fun,
up
though.
today. They showed up, called in today, and
Yeah.
we're looking at our trucks. And this is probably we should shoot more of subscribers visiting because we had
We had one
a
last
lot.
week, and he had
Yeah.
turbo problems.
We already we had scheduled. We worked on guys from other states that came, and we're gonna shoot probably more. But not everybody is comfortable in front of the camera like you guys. You guys are rock stars.
yeah.
You gotta have a YouTube channel, man. Who's more entrepreneurial, you or you?
We both. We help each other.
Yeah.
And sometimes he like jump into the team first,
Yeah.
and then like because I'm not boost more. I'm street
Look,
more.
when
So-
I'm very street smart.
He
So
got
I
his
didn't-
CDL 15 years ago. I get my CDL 2 years ago. I told him in Miami, yo, let's go drive team. He didn't want to go to drive. I said, okay, I moved to
Because I'm a
North Carolina.
family guy as well. I got three kids.
I moved to North. I moved. I got 2 kids. I moved
Yeah,
to
I
North
gotta catch up to you,
Carolina,
man.
but I know what.
Honey, when you look at the video, we need another kid. People go to college. They pay a lot of money to learn, right? And sometimes you get money and learn. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes you get money while you learn at the same time. And people focus about the money. Focus that you learn and you're getting paid.
Yeah. True.
No, the
100%.
value. When you get the value, like you said, when you get value, money comes
Yeah.
after that.
Yeah.
But if you focus on money, it's gonna
It's like,
drain
it's
out of
gonna,
your pocket.
it's gonna disappear.
You
Yeah.
know,
Good job, guys.
Hey.
I gotta go. Well, let's get you scheduled.